Introduction. Sports careers have been a topic of debate for many years, with some individuals viewing it as a good career choice while others believe it to be a bad choice. There are numerous factors to consider when it comes to deciding whether a sports career is a good or bad choice, including the physical demands of the job, the potential for injury, and the overall job outlook. In this essay, we will explore both sides of the argument, presenting evidence for both the advantages and disadvantages of pursuing a sports career. Advantages of a sports career. 1. High salaries. Many professional athletes earn salaries that far exceed the average income of most individuals. For instance, in the United States, the average salary of a professional football player is over $2 million per year, while the average salary for a professional basketball player is over $7 million per year. These high salaries can provide financial stability and security for athletes and their families. 2. Fame and recognition. Professional athletes are often well-known public figures, with fans and supporters around the world. This fame and recognition can lead to numerous opportunities for athletes, including endorsement deals, sponsorships, and media appearances. Additionally, this recognition can provide a sense of pride and accomplishment for athletes, as they are often seen as role models and heroes in their communities. 3. Opportunities for travel. Professional athletes often travel around the world to compete in games and events. This can provide opportunities to explore new cultures, meet new people, and experience new things. For individuals who enjoy traveling and adventure, a sports career can be an excellent way to see the world. 4. Positive impact on society. Athletes can have a significant impact on society, both through their athletic achievements and through their philanthropic efforts. Many athletes use their fame and success to give back to their communities, through charity work, donations, and social activism. This can help to inspire and motivate others to make positive changes in their own lives and communities. Disadvantages of a sports career. 1. High risk of injury. Sports careers are often associated with a high risk of injury, particularly in contact sports such as football, hockey, and rugby. These injuries can range from minor sprains and strains to more severe injuries such as concussions and broken bones. In some cases, these injuries can lead to long-term health problems, such as chronic pain and neurological issues. 2. Short career lifespan. Professional athletes often have short career lifespans, with most retiring in their early 30s. This means that athletes must make the most of their time in the spotlight, as they may not have the opportunity to earn the same high salaries or receive the same level of recognition once they retire. 3. Competitive nature of the industry. Sports careers are highly competitive, with only a small percentage of individuals making it to the professional level. This means that athletes must be dedicated, disciplined, and willing to make sacrifices in order to succeed. Additionally, the pressure to perform at a high level can be intense, leading to high levels of stress and anxiety. 4. Physical demands. Sports careers require a high level of physical fitness and endurance, with athletes often training for several hours a day. This can be physically demanding and can take a toll on the body over time, leading to chronic pain and other health issues. Conclusion. In conclusion, a sports career can be both a good and bad choice, depending on the individual's priorities and preferences. While sports careers offer numerous advantages, including high salaries, fame, and recognition, they also come with significant risks and challenges, such as the potential for injury, short career lifespans, and the competitive nature of the industry. Ultimately, individuals considering a sports career must carefully weigh the pros and cons and make an informed decision based on their own personal goals and values.